My name's Grant, I'm 33 years old, I'm first team captain here at Bournemouth Rugby Club and I live in West Moors in Dorset. When I step on the pitch, it just allows me to forget about life outside of rugby. It gives me that huge focus, that shared goal that I have with my teammates. I've played rugby for years and I absolutely love it. I've been subject to a few injuries over the years, a couple of broken bones, and most recently 4 months ago with a severe knee injury during a game here at Chapelgate. It was a 3 o'clock kickoff versus Petersfield in a league fixture. I've been knocked off balance by an opposition player. As a result of that, my left leg at full extension has landed likely where my right foot wanted to be. With the noises that it made and the pain I felt, I knew something was seriously wrong. At that moment, I genuinely thought my playing career was over. I thought my work career was going to change massively, and I was in pain like I'd never felt before. In the back of my knee, it felt like someone was stabbing the back of my knee, and I was just impossible to get into a comfortable position. I left the rugby club and was taken home by a teammate. I was given the advice that this may be a serious knee injury, which may take months, if not longer, to allow me to return to playing. So conversations I had with Andy, my physio, were over the telephone but also in person. He recommended a face-to-face at the Harbour Hospital with Mr. Willis-Owen to have that initial consultation, which 2 weeks post-injury I was sat in front of Mr. Willis-Owen. I was hopeful and sat in front of Mr. Willis-Owen. That sort of hope grew, and he immediately reassured me that this wasn't a career-ending injury and he could treat it and I could come out the other end and play rugby again. By the conclusion of that day, a surgery date and time would be booked in, which was massively positive in my mind. Being given a 6-week turnaround from initial consultation to surgery was unreal. On the day of surgery, I was certainly nervous. I was dropped to the hospital at 6:50 in the morning. By 7:01, I was in my own room, and by 8:15, I was in scrubs and I was walking down to theatre. The staff, looked after me from minute one. I couldn't fault that morning, to be honest with you. Only a few hours later to be, for want of a better phrase, fixed and on the mend was fantastic. So I'm 9 weeks post-surgery, and I feel fantastic. I've got already a huge amount of independence back. I'm back to driving, I'm back in the gym, and the rehab journey is going really well. It's something I'm really excited for. And the end goal is the hope that in 7 months' time I'll play rugby again, and I'll continue to play rugby hopefully for years to come.